In today's video, I'm going to be showing Hello guys and welcome to my channel Maria Marie. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a Nykaa haul. I'm so excited for the haul because I've never ever done a haul and never bought makeup from Nykaa. As you can see, the background is a little different. It is much more better. This is because I did like a wall transformation video, which if you haven't watched, it will be linked here. So you can go and watch and enjoy how I created this wall. Okay. So this is like the Nykaa box that I received, and of course I have done all the sanitization and all the processes that need to be done. I kept it for around 72 hours. It has been a week since the package arrived and we followed all the procedures, so it's safe. Each and every product was individually wrapped in this foam package. Now let's start with the products. Okay, so the first product that I ordered for setting the base, I have bought this Maybelline Fit Me Compact, and the packaging is actually really nice. It also has a mirror. I got this Maybelline Fit Me Compact in 169 rupees. It originally retailed for 200 rupees, and it also has like a sponge in it, which I do not use, but this is the sponge. It is quite nice. Has this happened with you, like whenever you have bought a new product or something, you just want to keep it in the packaging for it to be just like the way you received it? Okay, so the next thing that comes after compact is I guess eyeshadow, and for the eyeshadow I have bought this Nykaa Beachside Peach eyeshadow palette. I got it for 600 rupees itself, the retail price, and this is an amazing palette and very good. It also has a lot of pigmentation. I have applied this eyeshadow like look all over my eyelids and it seems to be pretty good. The next thing is this Maybelline Fit Me blush. So I've got this Maybelline Fit Me blush in the shade Nude Peach. I got it in the shade Nude Peach, and this is how the blush is. I personally thought for around 440 rupees, which is the original price. The size is pretty small, but I got it on a 15% discount. I have all the screenshots here. So 15% discount, and I got it for around 374 rupees. Yeah, and it is a very good blush. I've applied a little bit on my cheeks and it has a little bit of sheen to it, or a shine. Now I guess the next thing that comes is mascara, and I love mascara. I never ever owned any kind of mascara, and this is the first time that I bought a good mascara. This is the Maybelline New York, the Hyper Curl mascara, and it is easy wash, not waterproof. I have heard like the waterproof mascara causes the eyelashes to fall out, and I don't want that. So I have got this Maybelline Hyper Curl mascara, and the wand is pretty good. It is a very good mascara. Yeah, and I got it for 264 rupees. This was on a 15% discount. It retails for around 310 rupees. So that's good. The next thing that I got is like, I really wanted a highlighter, and highlighter is like one of the most favorite things I like in makeup. So I've got the Maybelline New York Master Chrome highlighter by Face Studio, and this is in the shade Molten Gold, and I have heard so many like positive reviews about this highlighter, and considering the price, it's pretty good. I got it for 468 rupees, 15% discount. Originally retailed for about 550 rupees. Yeah, but this is worth the hype, I guess. It's very visible and looks amazing. So this was the items that I bought from Nykaa, and yeah, so this all came under like a 2000 budget, and that is actually pretty good for a beginner makeup. I am a beginner, and if you are also like a beginner who wants to go into makeup, you can definitely invest in these products. I really like them. The blush, not so much, but it's good. The next is a mini Shein haul. So I got the Shein products in like this package, and it arrived I guess 2 days before. I've also done all the sanitization things that have to be done with this one too. And I got the transparent brushes, makeup brushes, and these were the 6-piece set. Now I got it for 356 rupees. Like, just look at the packaging. The packaging was also amazing. Like, it has this transparent wrap and also has this fishnet kind of a packaging, and oh my god, the strands are so soft. It was so good. Applying the makeup felt so amazing. Another thing that I bought was for my brother, and that's like a curly like hairband. Here's the picture. He's wearing it right now. So here's the picture, and I got it for 100 rupees. Yeah, and I know it's a little bit expensive for just a hairband, but this was because like there are no shops open, and I don't know when we would be able to buy it in a shop or something. So I got this one. So these were the two things that I got from Shein. The next two things that I want to show you is definitely not new, but if you are new to makeup, you can definitely like buy these things. A makeup bag is like an essential, and I have got this makeup bag from Faces Canada. Yeah, so I got this on my birthday, which was like 6 months back, and now finally I can like put stuff in it. It's like pretty cute and a golden makeup bag. Yeah, and the next thing I want to show you is this particular beauty tools ka thing that I got it off from some store. Like, I got it for 100 rupees, and I get like a beauty blender, I get sponges. I actually got 3 sponges. Usme se I'm using one right now, and considering the quality, it's also good. There is no like problem with that. I guess that's it. I hope you enjoyed like a mini Nykaa and Shein haul. This was actually really fun to make and shoot. I hope you enjoyed, and if you do, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot. Your support would mean a lot. You can also watch like my previous videos if you want. They are pretty fun. Okay, so